In today's world, home security is more important than ever, and smart door locks provide added protection and convenience. There are many products available to choose smart door locks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best smart door locks from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Teho Teezer 1 Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Teho Teezer 1 Keyless Entry Door Lock with keypad is a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home security system. This smart deadbolt lock allows for keyless entry with a convenient keypad and comes with 2 backup keys. The auto lock feature ensures that your home is always secure, and the easy installation process makes it a breeze to set up. With its sleek satin nickel finish, this traditional lock will look great on any front door. Plus, the weatherproofing guarantees that it will continue to function no matter the conditions. Overall, a reliable and effective addition to any home. Number 2. Google Nest X Yale Lock. The Google Nest X Yale Lock is a tamper-proof smart lock that provides keyless entry to your home with ease. The keypad deadbolt lock is perfect for front doors and is compatible with the Nest Secure Alarm System. Made with high-quality satin nickel, this lock is both durable and stylish. With the ability to create unique passcodes for family and friends, you can easily manage who has access to your home. Overall, the Google Nest X Yale Lock is a reliable and convenient solution for securing your home. Number 3. Vyze Fingerprint Door Lock. The Vyze Fingerprint Door Lock is an innovative and secure way to protect your home. With its keyless entry and biometric technology, you can easily lock and unlock your front door without the need for keys. The electronic keypad deadbolt also comes with keys as a backup. Its anti-peeking password feature ensures that no one can see your password as you enter it, and the auto lock function ensures that your door is always secure. Easy to install and available in oil-rubbed bronze, it is a stylish and convenient addition to any home. Number 4. Samtech Smart Lock. The Samtech Smart Lock is a game-changer for those who want to upgrade their home security. With keyless entry and fingerprint recognition, you'll never have to worry about losing your keys or forgetting a code again. The sleek silver design also adds a modern touch to any front door. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily control and monitor your lock from your smartphone. Installation is a breeze with the included handle and all necessary hardware. Keep your home safe and stylish with the Samtech Smart Lock. Number 5. Wyze Auto Lock Bolt. The Wyze Lock Bolt is a sleek and modern fingerprint keyless entry door lock that offers convenience and security. With its backlit keypad and IPX5 weatherproof design, this smart Bluetooth deadbolt replacement is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its in-app history and scheduled access features make it easy to monitor and control who has access to your home, while its auto lock feature ensures that your door is always securely locked. Additionally, the Wyze Lock Bolt is BMA and UL20min fire rated, giving you peace of mind that your home is protected. Choose the Wyze Lock Bolt for a hassle-free way to secure your home. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.